Today we're going to take a look at customizing the control center on the iPhone and iPad, iOS 13. 今日の勉強はコントロールセンターをカスタマイズする iPhone と iPad で、これ iOS 13. To access the control center, we want to pull down from the right hand corner on the iPhone and the iPad. If we pull down from the top right corner on the iPhone and iPad, we can see the control center. If I touch, the control center goes away. コントロールセンターを出すために一番右の上から下に引っ張る。タッチをすれば消える。And we want to be a little bit careful. If we pull down from the middle of the iPhone or iPad, we go to Notifications. To get the control center, we have to go from the right side only to access the control center. 上の真ん中から下に引くと通知が出てくる。なので、一番上の右から下に引くと control center が出てくる。So now on the control center, we can see we have a number of different options on the iPad and the iPhone. We have airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, music, and we have some different options on here. And we have some different options also on the iPad. When we want to customize the control center, we want to go to Settings. Then we want to go to Control Center and Customize Controls. コントロールセンターをカスタマイズしたいときは、設定、Control Center で Control Center をカスタマイズを選べば、機能が出てきます。On the top, we have, these are included now. So right now we have the flashlight, timer, calculator, camera, Apple TV remote, low power mode, wallet, voice memos, dark mode, and so on. On the iPad, we have similar ones. If we look farther down, we can see there are some other options that we can choose to put on your iPhone or iPad. Have accessibility, alarm, hearing, home, and some other different ones. And the iPad are a little bit different. And you have some different options, and some that you don't have in the iPhone, and some that you don't have in the iPad. で、カスタマイズするときは、上にあるものもう入ってる。これはもう入ってるんですね。下を見ると、ここは追加できる。下の方に。So, if I go back to the control center, we can see on the bottom we have the dark mode and light mode here. If I touch this one, I can change the iPad and iPhone to dark mode. With this control center option. 一番下の丸、この丸を押すとダークモードとライトモードに変更できる。今、ライトモードにした。で、これは設定のダークモード。で、日本語でダークモード。で、ここは入ってるんですね。この×を押すと消えて、ここの下に行くんですね。So if I hit the minus, we can remove the dark mode. And then when we go back to the control center, we can see there's no dark mode on the control center. I like to have dark mode on there, so I'll put dark mode back on there. And also on the iPad, we'll put the dark mode back on. Where is the dark mode? If you hit the plus, you can add different things. So if you look through the different options, you can choose the different functions that you like. If you want the alarm or home or magnifier or notes or text size or stopwatch, this will allow you to go directly to those options in the control center. で、この下のところにコントロールセンターに追加できる。メモ、ホームとか、ボイスメモ、アラームとか。ここに選べば、アラームを追加すると、コントロールセンターに入ってくるんですね。We have alarm and dark mode. Alarm and dark mode now. So I can choose what options I have in my control center in that way. Also with the control center, we can choose the, this will be the first one to come up and this will be the last one. If the alarm is important for me, perhaps I want to move it to the top. で、私にとってはアラームが大事だったら一番上に置いて、で、コントロールセンターを出すときには一番上になるんですね。ここ一番上になるんですね。In my next lesson for the control center, I'm going to go into some details about the different functionality that we can find in the control center. 次のレッスンはコントロールセンターの中の機能の説明します。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please try to remove and add different control center functions and choose the ones that you like best. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time.